Okay, Kian, go bring Neil. Hold his hand. Bring him, Kian. Need to follow. Bring him, bring him. Open your eyes, Neil. Happy birthday. So we are all packed. Car is fully loaded. Kian, are you excited?
Yeah.
Where are we going, Kian?
We are going to picnic.
Yeah, look at the car is fully loaded.
Can you tell us where we're going?
Surprise!
Surprise, Cuckoo! Birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday, dear Neil! Happy birthday to. How is it, guys?
Hey, Mama, somebody, a stranger brought a juice for us.
A stranger brought a juice for
Yeah.
Neil.
Yeah.
Inside the it's shower tea. Oh, my best.
No, don't eat now. Thank you, Angela. It's so beautiful. Say thank you.
Thank you, Angela.
And she left a balloon. Happy birthday, Neil. Okay, guys, that's the RV. And this is our very first time we are going to spend 2 nights, not one, in an RV. Coco is so puzzled. This is a nice place. Tomorrow morning I'll get to take you out.
We do want to see. So we are around like all of these. And even this is a pizza.
Okay. Is this a house?
It's not even a house, but it looks like a house when we get inside it. So we actually can drive.
We can drive this house?
No,
No.
we can actually drive it without not even touching anything.
Huh? How is that possible, Kya?
Because it is a house which can move. That all of these is actually a house, but it is a house which can actually move.
Really? Campfire right outside the RV. Overall, it was a good night, but it's cramped, so we kind of didn't get that great sleep. Anyways, Coco is out doing his morning routine, and it's all wet here because it rained. So we are right in the middle of this RV no land. The night was good, but since it's my very first experience living in this confined place, overall I will say it's okay, it's not bad, but I can spend the entire day, but I would love to go back to my bed. So that's one thing. But if you are into adventure, then you definitely need to try whatever comes your way. So what we are doing is, this is it's a very cloudy day today, so it's cold obviously, and it keeps on raining, so it's very wet. We are heading to the lake. We'll just have a look here, and then maybe we go down the road, and we have heard there is a very good bakery. So I'll definitely post over there. So stay tuned. That's the lake. It's very beautiful. And I'll find out the name of this lake. I'm going to tag in my description the place. It's actually a community over here. There are many RVs. They definitely rent it out. So I need to do some more research. But that's the beautiful lake, and we're just walking parallel and just having some fresh air. A very important thing that I have noticed is we really have to come prepared. Whether it is your paperware or you're planning for food, it's not easy to cook, right? So next time if I ever get to book this and plan, then I'm definitely going to come more prepared, get some more food, because I don't know where's the nearest grocery, but if clearly we are living in a very isolated place. It feels good. That was the purpose. So this RV, they actually have a couple of bikes here as well. So Neil is trying whether it works, just for some fun. It's just that it rained so much that it's all wet everywhere, and like you can see, it's a little rustic. So there are mud spots here and there, making it a little difficult for us to walk. But otherwise, they have this small kiddie park which we are going to now go and check. Coco is really having fun. Yesterday night, we watched a very emotional and a good movie called Gone Dog or Dog Gone on Netflix. It's about a dog and his um, owner and how close they are, and when he gets lost, then how they go and look for him. And the dog's name is Gonker. So after 18 days or 16 days, they find Gonker, and Gonker exactly looked this dirty. So it took 18 minutes for Coco to get this dirty, but Gonka took 18 days. So that's the funny part, I think, of this vlog. So Neil is doing pretty good. Right, Coco? Coco is so puzzled. If you're from Dallas and if you have any place to recommend that we can do as a weekend getaway, please do comment. I'll definitely visit and I'll try to vlog. That's where Neil, I mean Kian, I always keep doing this. Comment in the section if you guys always get confused with the names. I call Coco Kian, I call Kian Neil all the time. I don't know. Does that happen to you? But I never call Avi Kian or something. It only happens with your kids. So there has to be something with it. Anyways, they're both chilling out there. It's very cold, that's why one of us is just walking and the other one we're just trying to keep Kian closer to the cable. But anyways, where did they go? Oh, that's where they are. Okay, so I'll just quickly share some of the things that I have planned for Neil. So this RV planning was entirely a surprise. What we did yesterday is we picked Neil from his school. We also picked Kian from his school, and we just had the car packed. So we all left right from the school. We ate in the car, we had a change of it was very cold and all that. So we couldn't do much last night. But so Neil is a simple kid. He turned 15 today, and there are two more things that he's going to do, or one of the things he has already started. So Neil actually started his first job. So he joined UPS store. He gets to work in UPS store. Right now he's doing fewer hours, I think 5 or 7 hours a week. Let's see how it goes. So both me and Avi, we don't want to force anything on him, but I was very particular myself. I was very clear that I wanted Neil to work and start a job just to get the taste of the real world. So, and he's really doing good. I see the changes in him already. So mission accomplished. The next thing is this weekend on 3rd, Neil will get his driving license, the learner's right. So here in States, a 15-year-old can drive. Obviously, he should have a parent or a guardian next to him all the time when he's driving. So basically, this entire year he gets to learn driving, and then when he turns 16, he gets his learner permit, meaning he can drive on his own. Conditions apply. That's our Batman kite. So while they are flying the kite, I'm going to quickly pack and we will head for our lunch in the bakery. With this, I bring an end to this vlog. It was great recording and it was my son's 15th birthday. Hope you like this vlog. Love you all. Thank you.